Hi guys, I'm Talha from Technical Office. In this video, I will show you how to earn free PayPal money for free. So, in this website, I will show you how to work, how to complete a tasks, live proof of doing a tasks. So don't skip the video. So I will show you the everything live. So this is 100% trusted website to do and work with this website. So don't waste any time. You have to come on to your Chrome browser. After coming to your Chrome browser, you have to search for picoworkers.com. After searching for picoworkers.com, so you can see here all of the jobs have been loaded, and so you can do a lot of jobs here. You can see here, and this is sign up, search, click, engage, data entry, collection, extraction, telegram, discard. So you can see here a lot of jobs: video marketing, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, promotion. So you can see here everything is here. So if you want really to work, come on to this website. So after coming, I have choose the category of Telegram. So you can see here the easiest job. So you can see here, click on this button. So in this job, so you can see here, Telegram group join. So you have to join a group and you will earn $0.05. It's a big amount like this kind of work. So you have to copy this URL. So copy and go to Telegram. I will paste in the directly in Telegram. So I will go to Telegram. After going to Telegram, so you can see here films. This is the group we have to join. So you have to click on join button. After clicking on join, you can see here I will take the screenshot. So you can see here I have taken the screenshot. So I will paste it in the work that I have to do and the task in Pico Workers. I have to come on to Pico Workers, and you can see here I need a screenshot. Need screenshot. Required proofs is you have to submit proofs. Need screenshot. So you have to choose file. I have to choose file and files. So after coming to files, I have to upload my screenshot. Here you can see here I upload and click. You have to click on submit proofs. So where is this? So you can see here I have uploaded screenshots, and if you missed any video and skip the video, you have to watch it from the first section. So you have to click on submit proofs. After clicking on submit proofs, so I will have to wait and see what happened. So I will skip the video. So you can see here, great, task submitted successfully. I have to back to the worker page. So this is really a awesome job. You can see here I have my $0.05 have been added to the pending balance. So all this for that video, and there is a lot of categories, a lot of jobs to do. And if you want to build a website and you need money, you have to come on to the picoworkers.com and earn 20 dollars and send it to your PayPal and buy a website hosting and domain. So all this for that video. Like the video, share the video with your friends, and please subscribe the channel. Bye.